I beg you, woman, me guide them father. Make me see the haters a come more. Please guide me Jehovah, Father, protect your soul. Can't stop me, come here to clean.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a company called Beauty Forever. They're an Amazon hair company, and this is their 13x6 16-inch body wave lace front wig. Okay, it came in this box, and it has their just how to find their store on Amazon. Okay, and when you open the box, here's the wig. Put that to the side. It comes with a little headband, a light brown wig cap, and it has a company brochure where it's talking about the hair. It has customer photos. It has their return policy, how to contact them, their guarantee, and it also shows all the other hair textures and colors that they offer. Okay, now let's get into this wig. Alright, like I said, this is their 13x6 body wave, 150% density lace front wig. Okay. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells like hair. The lace is kinda brown. It really does feel 150% density though. I say that. It is very full. Very full. I'm just gonna, I don't know what's up with my lighting, y'all. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know why I keep trying to make me look light skinned or whatever. But okay, so let's get into the cap construction. It is a lace front, ear to ear frontal. It is a 13x6, so the 6-inch parting space is right here, and then this is the 13 inches. It is pre-plucked. Oh, that hairline is very nice. Very nice. Very. Okay. And it has 2 clips right here and 1 clip in the back. And it has a little piece of lace in the back, and that little piece of lace has like some very thin little tracks, so you'll be able to pull it up in a ponytail. It also has adjustable straps. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my mannequin head just to see what it's looking like. Okay, so here's how it's looking on my collie head. Just look at this hair. That's one thing. Hold on, like, let's look at this wave pattern. I really love these curls. I really love these waves. Okay, so the hair is really soft. It is so soft. It does have like some strings of like a red color. So if you were going for the jet black look, you will have to dye this hair. But I think I'm gonna be coloring this hair. Look at this hairline. Amazon has been coming through, okay? Look at that hairline. Yes. Okay. And y'all see it's on my 23-inch canvas head, so it is big head friendly. And the parting space comes all the way back here. It's very full, yes. And now that we've seen the hair, let's get into the details. Okay, so I got the 16-inch, and that one is $104.79. But it has free shipping, and you get a discount. So $100. Betty on a budget or nah?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so that concludes this video. Shout out to Beauty Forever, an Amazon hair company. If you're interested in purchasing this wig, I will put a link for it in my description box below. I got you, sis. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up anyway. Thank you so much for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.